Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I'm here to talk much about Neptune Network. So this updates here. So the truth about withdrawal. So that's what we're about to talk about. Yeah. Yeah. So today we are about to talk about the truth about Neptune withdrawal, the truth behind it, and everything. Yeah. So I'll be showing you everything, what you have to know and things. By the way, yeah, I have there are still more to hit for the rebounding masterclass. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to rebound your Google Authenticator and the Neptune network to make your withdrawal possible, I will leave the link in the comment section and I will also leave the link in the description. Yeah, it's just going for 11 USDT. Yeah, and if you're in Ghana, just want to stay Ghana cities. Yeah. So after you doing the rebounding and everything, then this video is for you. The truth about withdrawal, because I've been getting this complaint that yo bro, why is it that I didn't receive all my money? Why is it that I received this little money? And that's what I'm about to talk about right now. Yeah, so if you have received your money, you can comment under this video. If you have done with the rebounding and received your money, you can comment under this video. Yeah, and I may dash you money. Just comment so that people know that you have received your money. Yeah. So the truth about withdrawal. Yeah. So one thing you have to know about Neptune Network is that the one NT equal to 2 USDT is not real. I'm telling you everything, because though I've done videos about it that when you have 80,000 we withdraw, you will not get exact amounts, but people still don't understand anything. That is why I'm doing this video. If you have one NT, they say that if you exchange one NT, you get 2 USDT. So right now, currently, some people even have $1 million, $1 million in their accounts currently. Yeah, some people have $1 million in their accounts currently. Yeah, and the first thing you have to know, the truth you have to know is that the one NT equal to 2 USDT that you say it's on the exchange rate is not true. And people will be saying that if that one is not true, then one NT is what? To my research, I can tell you that one NT is equal to 0.02. Instead of the 2 USDT, I will tell you that the one NT is equal to 0.02. And this is my point. If you have calculator and you have to draw your money, just multiply the money you have by 0.02 and see the actual amount you get. So if you have 1 million, so you'll be 1 million times 0.02. If you have 10,000 times 0.02 and see the actual money you have. So that money you have is your actual money, not the big one you see it in your USDT after doing the exchange. That one is not the money. That's why I'm saying that the one NT equal to 2 USDT is just, it was just there to make a lot of people join the DeFi trade. And they got all of us, because if I think 190 right now, was at first it was just 0.2. So if 180 is right now 2 USDT, I'll be quick to join the DeFi trade. You see that thing? So this thing made a lot of people join the DeFi trade, and that's the real fact. Yeah. So after withdrawing your money, and let's say you get, let's say, $100 in your wallet, please, you have to understand it. It's not me that people are saying that, and you let us do the rebounding, and we withdraw the money, and we are getting this small money. It's not even up to the money we invested for the DeFi trade, bro. I'm here to help you. Getting 0 and getting 1, what do you prefer? Tell me. Getting 0 and getting 1, what do you prefer? So if if you were to get 0, and I've done a lot of research about this thing, and I've helped you for you to get 1, don't you be grateful? Some people are grateful, some people too are not grateful, but that's none of my business. Yeah, I'm here to tell you the real facts. Yeah. And the second thing you have to know about the truth about the withdrawal is that, you see, as I told you, that the NT is not equal to 2 USDT, but it's equal to 0.02. The same thing that you have to know, that withdrawing your NT or withdrawing your USDT straight to your account, you will get it within 48 hours. So some people just withdraw their money, and they will be like, bro, but I've done the rebounding, and I withdraw the money, and it's not still yet in my wallet. Bugger, I beg, relax. The thing is, your money will arrive in your wallet within 48 hours. That's within 2 days. That's when your money will arrive in your wallet. So the people who did the rebounding can testify to it, that some even received their money within 3 days. Yeah, some received their money even within 3 days, and some too received their money within 2 days. Me, I received my money within 2 days. Yeah. And when I saw the money, I thought, who sent me this money? Because I don't remember withdrawing this money, not knowing it was from Neptune Network. And the money I got, Charlie. But all the same, it's still money, bro. All the same, still money. So the third one you have to know about the withdrawal is that you can't withdraw it without rebounding. And people are saying, what is rebounding? You see, me, I've been with many platforms for long, and even some people are saying that, why is it that I know the way to withdraw? Maybe I'm part of Neptune Network, so I'm a scammer. Like, what the bullshit is that, bro? I'm a fintech person, and I'll do research about this platform a lot. And as I already told you in my previous video, that Neptune Network contacted me to do promotion about their brand and things. So I did my further research about it, and I saw it to be one platform I was joining last year. The same thing. You see that thing? So when this issue happened, the platform told us to rebound. But that platform, after rebounding, we got our money, exact money. Yeah. So that is why I know the rebounding. That's what I have knowledge about rebounding. Yeah. So these are the shows about Neptune Network withdrawal. If you want to withdraw your money on Neptune Network, the first one you have to know is that the 1 NT equal to 2 USDT. You see it on the exchange platform, or let's say on the exchange channel. It's not exact as you withdraw, because after doing your NT to USDT exchange, you may get more figures, because right now I have more than $120,000. $120,000. So imagine I'm withdrawing $120,000. You're withdrawing $1 million. Someone is also withdrawing $500,000. Are you sure that they can pay us? So you have to know that the 1 NT equal to 2 USDT is just there. It's not real. Not legit. Yeah, because I have done my withdrawal and I know what I'm talking about. So if you have also done a withdrawal, you can comment so that people will know what to expect. Yeah. And this thing that you say, you have to think that the money you have right now should be multiplied by 0.02, and the amount you have is your actual money. So if you have $80,000, just multiply it by 0.02. So the money you will get is the exact money when you, after doing your rebounding, you'll get in your crypto wallet. Yeah. So that is how it is. And you can't do all these things without the rebounding too. The rebounding I was talking about. And we have a masterclass coming up this Saturday. Yeah, but if you want it right now, because I think for personal, I've thought let's say 8 to 10 people. Yeah. So, but if you want to join the class, that one is 11 USDT. But if you want it like urgently, that one is 100 USDT. That's $100. Yeah, but we can negotiate, and I'll consider that thing. Yeah, and it's not by force to. I'm not forcing you to like purchase the rebounding ticket. I'm not forcing you. No, the rebounding masterclass is to teach you how to rebound. So if I'm teaching you how to rebound, it means that after rebounding, if you do it well, you can rebound and withdraw your money. If you don't do it well, you may end up being stuck. And you have to know that it's not guaranteed that after doing the rebounding you can withdraw your money. But if you do it well, you can withdraw your money. That's it. Yeah, because some people, like, if you have, please, let me do this quick announcement. If you have withdraw your money, please, I beg you, just comment under this video. Just comment under this video for people to know that you have withdraw your money. I know that maybe that's not the exact money you were expecting, but if you have withdraw your money, just comment under this video so that people will know that it's there. Yeah, people are cashing out, but you don't get exact money. That one, so I will let you know. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. And if you have any comment, you can comment. And I saw people saying that I'm part of Neptune Network, so I'm scammer. I beg you are. Have I scammed you before? You see this face. Have I scammed you before? Please, if you are a stupid person, don't comment under my video, because I have not scammed any person in my life before. I'm a YouTuber and I'm not hungry. I have my money, I chop. So it's not by fault to buy the ticket to the rebounding. So if you think that the rebounding masterclass is not real, don't join. It's not by force for you to join. It's not by force. Have I forced you to join? It's not by force. Yeah. So stop being there and stop talking rubbish. Because I'm not forcing anyone to buy the rebounding masterclass. I just find a way to withdraw it, and I thought that okay, then I have to do masterclass about it. It's not by force for you to join. So if you don't want to join, that's cool. Don't be there and be like, I'm a scammer. Have I scammed you before? Be bold and be out and say, yo bro, you have scammed me. Have I scammed you before? Yo, don't angry me. Yeah. So I think I'm done for today's and the rebounding class, masterclass 2. I will leave the link in the description and in the comment section too. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out.